Hello friends, welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is an excellent winter snack which is very fast and also easy to make. A crispy chikki made with sesame seeds. Earlier I shared a softer version of this recipe and today I am going to make the crispy version of it. So first let us take a look at the ingredients that we need. Sesame seeds 1 cup, jaggery or good 2/3 cup and little clarified butter or ghee. Some cardamom powder is also optional to use. Before we start preparing the jaggery syrup, we are going to keep a bowl of water handy. Then we are also going to keep a rolling board ready and I am going to line it with a parchment paper. Also keep little clarified butter or ghee ready near the rolling board as you will need it later for greasing your palms a little bit when you are rolling the chikki. First we are going to roast the sesame seeds, transfer them to a pan, turn on the heat and you can keep it on medium at first and keep turning them till the sesame seeds become slightly brownish in color. Now I am going to keep these roasted sesame seeds aside for some time. Now is the time to prepare the syrup from the jaggery. Transfer all the jaggery to the same pan and turn on the heat. We are going to again stir it continuously and first allow the jaggery to melt. As the jaggery has started melting now, I have reduced the heat to low. After about a minute, as you can see, it has melted completely and it has also started frothing a little. I will continue to turn and after about 2 more minutes, I am going to test it out if the solution is ready for the next step. I am going to put a small drop of this solution into this bowl of water and test to see if this drop is ready. As you can see, the jaggery solution has definitely become hard after putting in water, but it is not very easy to break. It is a very hard and sticky kind of a ball that has come out. So we are going to wait for some more time, allow it to cook till it becomes really brittle and easy to break. Now let us test it out one more time. A small drop into the water. As you can see, it has become a hard lump as soon as you put it. This time, however, you can see it has become into a really hard and brittle lump. You can hear the clicking noise and also you can easily break it into little pieces. Now you can reduce the heat to low and quickly add all the roasted sesame seeds. If you want, you can also add little cardamom powder and then mix. Mix everything nicely so that all the sesame seeds get evenly coated with the jaggery, and you have to be really quick now before the entire thing cools down, otherwise it will start hardening and you will have a hard time rolling it. So once you see that everything has been nicely mixed, we are going to turn off the gas and then transfer all this to the rolling board which was lined with parchment paper. Now with little ghee applied to my hands, I am going to spread it out evenly. If you want, you can also use a greased rolling pin. I usually flatten it out in a square or rectangular shape so that after cutting, all the pieces are uniform in shape. You can keep the thickness according to your liking. And now quickly, before it cools down and hardens further, you have to cut it into pieces. And now allow them to cool down completely. After it cools down, break them and separate out all the pieces. Now when it cools completely, you will be able to see that they are nice, brittle and crispy. So our crispy sesame seeds chikki is now ready. You can see how brittle and nice crispy it has turned out. Neither very hard to chew nor very sticky. It is just perfect. Hope you enjoy making this wonderful winter snack at home. Do remember to post any questions or comments and also remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.